So this plane right here, this Virgin Australian flight number 9 from Australia, reporting of a nose gear issue. Let's see, what do we have here on this plane? There's reason why they're calling this nose gear issue emergency. Well, I kind of see it open. I'm not sure how long you guys can see it. And trying to record anything with phone and it's gonna be blurry. Sorry about that. Come on, don't be blurry. Look like it doesn't have nothing, but they declare of emerging under landing gear. Oh well. At least they're gonna land quietly nice.
We have breaking news out of LAX. You're looking at a plane that just landed here from Australia into LAX, and there was an in-flight emergency because the landing gear, there was some sort of issue with the right rear tire area, and you can see there's smoke coming from that area right now. Firefighters just getting on scene there, but it looks like they were able to land safely. All of those passengers appear to be okay, and we're going to continue to track this and monitor this as we learn more about what exactly happened to this aircraft.